Hi, it's Adreset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Google Pixel 5. So first, open the settings of your phone, go into the battery. Right here, you have the battery saver and enable the battery saver with the standard mode selected. Then, into the display, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, lower the screen timeout to around 1 minute, and enable dark theme. Then scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example, internet or Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.